When we first met, your hair was long and brown, you hadn't shed. Cut it all off and now it's long once again. Oh, it's long once again. As I kept track of every haircut that we ever had, I could see how long it had been. Oh, how long it had been. This thought made it clearer. I ought to be nearer. All I see is where our days repeat, and our love goes on as our head grows along. Oh, Chelsea Lynn, I watch your hair grow from the root to tip. I know, as I always have known, and I always will know that I could have a single direction until I am dead. I go as I always have gone, and I always will go. This thought made it clearer. I ought to be nearer. All I see is where our days repeat, and our love goes on as our head grows as our head grows as our head
I've been feeling real good, came a long way from misunderstood. Far away from the days where I wouldn't wanna go home, cause I was afraid of the truth. See, I was scared to admit, the feeling was in the back of my head. Cause the point where line no longer works, so you have to stand up for how you wanna live. Tonight is the night, and we're losing control. Tonight is the night, we set it on. Everybody go. Everybody go. And I don't know no better, but as far as I came, it felt like forever. Seconds turn to hours, days turn to months, let a year pass by, but don't feel like much. So if I got one chance, motherfucker, I'ma make y'all dance. I'ma have as much fun as I can and figure out the rest when I hatch out a plan. Tonight is the night, and we're losing control. Tonight is the night, we set it on. Everybody go.